Awesome, awesome. So, all right, I'm going to. All right, I've stopped you guys from chatting, so we don't have any disturbance. So, guys, there is one thing I would want you all to do for me right now, because this is going to be a life-changing webinar. I can assure you that. But if it's going to be a life-changing webinar, then there is one thing you would have to do. You have to be 100% focused on this, because it is very, very important you do, right? It is very, very, very important. You have to focus. You have to get yourself away from distractions as fast as possible. You don't want to be distracted. You don't want to have any issues with paying attention. So you have to pay 100% attention to this. So all right, let's do that within 1 minute, and let's get this over with. All right. So hello, forex traders. In the next few minutes of this webinar, you have on your fingertips the MLB trading system that flips your trading account by 5 times in 5 months or less without over leveraging your trading account. Right? So, in the next couple of minutes, you're going to have by your fingertips the MLB trading system that flips your trading account by 5 times in the next 5 months or less without having to over leverage your account, right? So you're probably asking by now, who am I to even make you such promises, right? Why should you even listen to me? So, hello, my name is Emmanuel Adedoyin, and with me here is my co-host of this webinar. His name is Etinosa Osunde. So some of you are probably from him, and some of you are probably from me, right? So we are both the founders of FireFX and PGP Incorporation. We've gone through both the losing phase and the break-even phase, and now we are dwelling in the profitable phase of forex trading. So this is what traders like you are actually saying about us, right? On my left hand here, I have Golden. Golden said, "Your status keeps me informed and increases the oil in my lamp of forex." Hat said, "I don't have time to view status every time on my WhatsApp status, but not yours. I always check in yours, most especially because of the fact and figure you always post. I'm one of those who have lost a lot in both forex and online investment, big time, even to a point of lost hope. I've spent months, money, and time learning the so-called technical analysis and paying for unconfirmed signals. And at a point, I lost trust because it all brought me down. But the truth is that I haven't given up, because I see the financial market as one of the great means for ordinary people to generate extraordinary income, and not only working 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. jobs for years. And since I came across your ad basically, and was directed to this WhatsApp, your status is worth taking a time on, especially for those who are curious about forex markets. So this is Dave. Dave is one of my close guy. I didn't take the trade. I think I posted the trade on my status, right? So he said, "I didn't take the trade, but I must confess, you're good in this industry, even though the market nearly hits stop loss. But it came back massively and hit the TP from behind. What a massive buy of candle projection," right? So this is another person, David. David said, "I go through your status at times to understand forex. I've lost a lot of money, but learning it in bits from your status and others is giving me a renewed hope Tinubu, that I will get back all the dollars that I've lost and more. Keep the good work." So this is another person. This person said, "I'm not yet in your training, in your trading program. This is under David, right? But every time I see your status, I see you post some analysis. I'm like, wow, this is genius. I'd love to be like him. This is also Fatai Karim. He said, learning about considering four factors before. I think I asked on my status then that what exactly have you guys learned from me? Or what have you gained from me, basically? So this person said, I learned about considering four factors before entering a trade. Bias, location, entry reason, and exit reason. Also, you opened my eyes to the power of good RR. That's risk to reward. The day I joined your Telegram section, you did some calculation and it made me realize how important it is to have a good RR. In addition, your status is informative. Thanks, boss. So this is another person. This is figure. So you pay attention. This is Akinkumi Dowu. Akinkumi Dowu deposited $250 in his trading account, and within 1 week he was able to make $152. That's more than 50% just in 1 week. Just in 1 week, guys, he was able to make more than 50% using the MLB trading system I'm going to be unveiling to you guys. This is another person. This person made 6117 euro just in a day. This is euro, and he said he started Friday and is already up to like 2k, right? So this is another person. This person, they are all sharing me their analysis and their results and all of that. So this person said, I can't beat it. Your strategy is mad. Before you, I was big on supply and demand, but I never really took liquidity into play, and that's where I was going wrong. But now I genuinely think I am mastering it, right? So we have lots of results, guys. This is another person that made $281 within a couple of weeks. This is David, right? That withdrew from his account. We have lots of results, but this is not about us. This shouldn't be about us, right? This is about you, right? So this is why I'm going to be making you 3 promises right now. So promise 1, I'm going to be showing you the ungodly truth about the forex market, right? I'm going to be showing you the ungodly truth about the forex market, revealing the dirty game played by the market dominators, the traps they set for you and me, and how not to fall into these traps. That's one promise. Listen attentively, guys. Right? I will be showing you the ungodly truths about the forex market, revealing the. I'm sorry. I'm coming, guys. I'm trying to. I thought I have locked the group. I don't know. People could still talk. I don't want attention in the group. I'm trying to. Yeah. All right. So yeah. I think it's locked like that. Locked that way. So basically, I will promise 1. I'm going to be showing you, pay attention, guys, the ungodly truths about the forex market, revealing the dirty game played by the market dominators, right? The traps they set for you and me, and how not to fall into this trap. I'm going to be revealing that to you. That's my first promise. Now, my second promise is that I'm going to show you how to use this dirty game. I call this dirty game the MLB trading system. The MLB trading system simply means move like the boss system. Because if you know the system, you will be moving like the boss. The people that actually controls the market, you will be moving just like them. That is why it is called the MLB trading system. Move like the boss system. So you will learn how to use this dirty game, the MLB trading system, to your advantage, to make a minimum of $1,002 with a $250 trading account. That's 5 times of $250 in 100 trading days or less. Now, 100 trading days, you all know, we have 20 trading days in a month. So that's 5 months. That's promise 2. Now, promise 3, if I fulfill these 2 promises above, I will be making you a free offer that allows you to make an extra $3,000 monthly after 6 months. Now, this is very huge, guys. Think about it. $3,000 every month after from now to the next 6 months. The subsequent months after, on a monthly basis, you're going to be making $3,000 every single month. I'm going to show you how. So this is where you need to pay attention, and you won't have to over leverage. You won't have to do anything less or more than what I'm going to be showing you today, guys. So reply yes in the comment section if this sounds fair enough. I want you to reply yes in the comment section if this sounds fair enough. So I've unlocked the group so you guys can reply yes in the comment section if this sounds fair enough to you guys, so we can get in. Awesome. I'm getting lots of yeses right now, so this is cool. All right. That's let's not take much of time doing that. So yeah. So you see, I want you guys to understand this. Before I became profitable in the forex trading market, I learned few important things that contributed to my trading success, and it is that there are so many lies in the forex trading market. So many lies in the forex trading market, guys. And your job is to seek the truth and allow the truth to set you free. Someone is going to come to you as a forex trader and tell you to buy from support. Another person is going to tell you to buy from demand. Another person is going to tell you to buy from order block. And so there are different terminologies, different things. Someone is going to tell you to use the M pattern. Someone is going to tell you to use the double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, those kind of patterns to trade. So there are like so many things in the markets that is just going to mess up your mind, basically. And I call them many lies in the forex market. So your job is actually to seek the truth and allow the truth to set you free, and which is why you're actually on this webinar right now. So what are the truths I'm talking about? Now this is the real truth, guys. The odds of a retailer trader succeeding in the forex market are very, very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people who dominate the market. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, guys. Let me say it again so you guys can understand. The odds of a retail trader is you and me, right? Succeeding in the forex market is very, very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people who dominate the market. You need to trade just like the people who actually dominate the forex market, right? So I'll tell you what I mean in a second, guys. So think about this. Who are the people that actually controls the market? We call them the forex market dominators. These are the people that actually makes the money. Like, they don't stress to make money in the forex market at all because they contribute largely to the market. These are the people that move the market. Your money and my money cannot do anything in the market. It cannot really do anything at all in the market. It is just a bit in a large, in the grand scheme of things, right? So these are the market dominators, the people that actually move the market. So we have the Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank has about 18.1% in the forex market share. UBS have about 11.3%. Barclay Capital has about 11.1%, and so on and so forth. We have JP Morgan, we have Royal Bank of Scotland, Bank of America, Commercial Bank, Standard Chartered Bank. I think we all know Standard Chartered Bank, right? So these are the people that actually like controls the market. Your money and my own money cannot really move the market. So we mean nothing. So if certain people controls the market, isn't it right or isn't it logical to follow their traces, follow their footprints basically in the forex markets to be able to profit for ourselves? So I'm going somewhere, guys. So the job of the market dominators is to buy when the price is very, very low and sell when the price is very, very high to be able to make good profits for themselves, right? So I'll give you an example. I'll give you a little bit of analogy so you can understand what I'm saying perfectly. Let's say, for example, you're trying to buy something in the market. If you want to, and you want to sell as well, right? Because forex, if you're buying anything in the forex market, you're also selling at the same time. So if you're buying euro USD, that means you're buying euro to sell USD. You understand? So that is how it works. And when you close the trade, if you're buying, you're actually selling, right? So you're going to make profit. So basically, market dominators, right? Market dominators buy when the price is very, very low. So they, so if I'm buying something of, let's say I'm buying something of $5 and I make a profit of $5, that's profit, right? So what market dominators are going to do is they know that, okay, fine, this $5 is the least the price is going to be, is going to get to. Probably the price is selling. I mean, the price is actually going down presently. Let's say euro is currently selling, so it's going down. The value is decreasing. So at some point, they know when this is the highest it is going to sell to, is going to drown to. This price is going to drown to. This is the least the price is going to drown to. So what they want to do, what banks want to do, is buy at that lowest point so they can make good profit for themselves. So in order to be able to do this, right, in order to be able to do this, they will do some sort of manipulation. They will do some sort of manipulation to achieve this goal. I want you all to pay attention, right? So to be able to achieve this objective, they need liquidity. So liquidity, so they need liquidity basically, right? Which is why the retailer markets, I mean the retailers in the market will need to be taken out of the market, because everybody cannot be buying at the same time. They need people who are going to sell. If I'm going to be buying, I need people who are going to sell, right? So they will need to do some sort of manipulation. So they will need liquidity to do that. They need money. So the money to be able to move the market to that point where they want to probably buy or sell from, the money is taken from retail traders, basically, right? So the odds of retailer traders succeeding in the forex market are very, very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people who dominate the market. So I'm going to show you. So what do I mean? The retail concept of trading is a trap to lose your hard-earned money to the people who control the forex market. Guys, these banks are obviously not buying from supports or selling from resistance. It's just dump. The fact that it works is just part of the game, because nobody is going to create a kind of game. Think about this. Nobody is going to set up a game whereby you always keep losing. How else will you come back? You're not going to come back if you keep losing. So they have to make sure that there is a sort of plan in place or setup in place whereby you make some money as well, right? But you're still going to lose that money. So I'm going to give you an example of what I'm talking about, right? This is like an image. This is like the chart. This is GBP USD. I want you all to pay attention. I want to be sure you guys are like paying 100% attention, yeah? I'm coming. I want to be sure you guys are all paying attention. So if you're paying attention, just type one. Just type one quickly so we can actually move forward, guys. I want to be sure I'm speaking to you guys. awesome, guys. All right. So this is the forex. This is the forex chart. This is DBB USD, guys. I want you to pay attention to this resistance and support that they told you all to. You know, they told you to buy from resist. I mean, sell from resistance and buy from support. That's the normal thing, right? So now look at this place I'm pointing at. This is resistance and this is support. So anyone who buys at this support here will make money, right? Because of course, support is when we have two, what's it called? We have one touch here, we have second touch here, so it makes it valid to buy from here, which is the normal retail concept, right? So if you buy from here, you're making money. You make money to this point, but at some point, you're stopped out of the market. If you're still on this trade, you're stopped out of the market, and the stop losses here are going to be taken. So obviously you're looking at, okay, if you're buying here, it's supposed to like get to this space so you can take profits, but you're not going to take that profit. You're obviously going to, what's it called? So money is taken from this part, which is your stop losses. So you are rushed, you are going to sell because you're out of the trade. So you've sold this trade. After which you've bought, you've sold because you're out of the market. So you've sold at a lower price here. Don't forget, guys, they want to buy low. You've sold at a lower price here. So now, do not forget that when the price is also coming to this point, other people are also planning to buy. Maybe you even add more buy because obviously this is a support. So you had more buy, and it takes the people that bought here and this place as well that have not taken profit. It takes all their stop losses, and this guy buys at this point, and what? It shoots up. They just like you want to buy, they also want to buy as well. You are both on the right side of the market, but they don't want to buy where you're buying, so they want to buy lower. They want to make more profits, right? So they need to get you out of the game so they can do what they want to do, right? Now look at this sell as well, right? If anybody takes trade here, this resistance here, we have one touch, we have two touch. So it is retail concept say you should sell here, right? So once you sold at this point, you make a little bit of profits, and what? Stop losses are also taken. So look at these two stop ones. We have stop ones here, we have stop ones here, we have another stop one here. So now we have remember what the retail concept says about break and retest. There are people that are also going to be buying when it's retested this point, because this resistance has now turned into support based on the retail concept, right? So the people that actually bought here are going to also lose money. See this. Your stop loss can't be this wide. It's crazy. Even if it's this wild, no problem, right? But there are lots of people that would have been stopped out before they actually realize good profit. So look at this, guys. This is just one out of many manipulation, many dirty games these guys have played. I mean, these guys are actually playing. This is one out of so many, and most of the time you will fall into these traps. That's what I'm trying to show you guys right now. So you see, the forex trading isn't hard as you think, though. It can be very simple once you understand the footprints of the market dominators, which are the banks, and you can follow these footprints to trade like them, right? Now that I have fulfilled my first promise, I've showed you the dirty game they play, right? Which is to show you the ungodly truth. And this is also the truth. The truth is that as a retail trader, the odds of you succeeding in the forex market is very slim, right? So let me add on to the second promise, which is to show you how to use this dirty game, the MLB trading system, to your advantage to make a minimum of $1,000 with a $250 trading account in 100 trading days or less. So guys, just pay attention. So first off, I want to show you a little bit of case study, right? I want to show you case study. I want to show you a case study right here. I'm coming. I'll need you all to sorry. So first off, guys, and is there anyone who understands risk to reward? If you understand risk to reward in a layman language, just put it in the comments. This is risk to reward. The meaning of risk to reward. Put it in the chat. I want to see if you guys understand the meaning of risk to reward before I go forward with this. And also, guys, I want you, like, this is going to take just 1 minute of your time. I want you all to go to the WhatsApp group that you're in. The group is going to be opened now, so you can talk. I want you all to go into the WhatsApp group you are in. If you've been getting value so far, at least from the start of this webinar, I want you to type in the WhatsApp group how much value you've been getting, so people who are not here can actually get here as fast as possible. Let them know what they are missing. So I'm going to open the group. The group is going to be opened right now. So the group is opened. So I want you all to go to the group you are in and let people know they're actually missing a lot from not joining. From not being on this webinar right now. Before we proceed, let's do that within 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. The group is opened. Awesome. People are already dropping comments in the group. Guys, drop comments in the group. In the next 1 minute now, I'm going to lock the group. Then we proceed. Let me sip a cup of water, I beg. Let me have a sip of water. Okay, so let's get right in. Let's get right in. I'm going to log the group again so we can have 100% attention. Okay, I think someone is typing Wiz. Let's give him 1 minute so he can. Yeah. So Awesome. Okay, so we have like 3 people. Joshua said, how is the ratio of your profit to your loss? Yes, that's fact. But you are not like digging into what I want to hear. So Lucky said, what you're willing to give for the greater good. That's actually a smart way to put it. Now, Wiz Gershon said, how is the amount of your trading capital you're risking to target more than the amount. Well, I don't understand this, but I don't want us to waste much of our time. So let me just get into this properly so you can understand. Risk to reward is actually very simple, guys, because a lot of people don't know it, which is why they still fail. Risk to reward simply means what you're risking. So let me give an example. I will use this trading criteria to give you an example of what I mean, right? So you can understand it properly. So we have like a trading account of $250. Let's say we have a trading account of $250 and we are risking 2% on every single trade we are taking per trade on the account. Now we have 25 trading opportunities per month. Let's say we have 25 trading opportunities in a single month, and we have 1:5 minimum risk to reward per trade. Rain is actually falling right now. I want to be sure you guys can hear me properly, because I don't want you all to miss anything at all. Rain is falling, but I want to be sure you guys can hear me properly. If you can hear me properly, please let me know in the group. Awesome. I'm glad you guys can hear me. I just want to be sure about that. Awesome. Obina, Emmanuel, please leave the what's it called? The video call and get him back so you can hear me properly. I guess it's your network. All right. Sorry about that. I think I clicked on something. I want to be sure he's still recording. All right. All right. I clicked on something funny right now, and it changed the whole setting. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. If you can still hear me, just type in 111 so we can just move on from here, please. Just one. So awesome. So you guys can hear me. Fine. Great. Awesome. So, fellas, let me get right back into this. All right. So we have 1:5 minimum risk to reward. Now, what 1:5 minimum risk to reward means is that if I am risking 2% on a $250 trading account, 2% of $250 trading account is $5, right? 2% of $250 is $5. So which means I'm risk on every trade I'm taking, I'm risking $5. If I lose the trade, I'm going to be losing $5. If I win the trade, this is where the 5 comes in, 1:5. So it means what you are risking times 5. 1 means what you are risking. 5 means times 5. If it is 1:3, it means what you are risking times 3. If it is 1:2, it means what you are risking times 2. So if I'm risking $5 on a $250 trading account, right? On a $250 trading account, if I'm risking just $5 and I'm taking a trade of 1:5, it means I'm going to be getting back times 5 of what I'm risking. So which means if I risk $5, I'm getting back $25 back as profit. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. If you oh, sorry, no screen. Oh god, the settings has changed everything. But yeah, I'm sorry about that. Someone just messaged me now. I'm sorry about that. I believe you guys can. All right. Just send me a DM if you can see my screen. I don't want to open the group. I don't want to mess with any settings there. Just Let me know if you can all see my screen. Just send me a message on the Telegram. You can see my screen. If you can see my screen and you can hear me properly, send me a message on Telegram ASAP. Let's move on from here. All right. Thank you, Steven. Thank you, Steven. I received your message. So, let's get back. Let's get right back into this. So I'll just go back a little bit so you all can understand. So what do I mean by 1:5? When you hear 1:5, what does it mean? The one simply means what you are risking. So if I'm risking 2% of $250, which is $5, right? $5 is 2% of $250 trading account. So if I'm risking $5 on an account, it means I'm only willing to risk $5 from my $250 trading account. That's 2% of my $250, right? So the 5-year means the 1:5. The 5-year means times 5 of what I'm risking. I'm getting back times 5 of what I'm risking. So which means if I'm risking $5 on a 1:5 trade, I'm getting back at least $25. If I win the trade, if I lose the trade, I'm losing just $5. But if I win the trade, I'm making $25. That is what I'm telling you guys right now is powerful. See, this might be all you need. This might be all you need to have a successful and profitable trading career. This might be all you need to have a successful and profitable trading career. What I'm telling you right now, write it down, please. Put it down. This might be all you need, once again, to have a profitable and successful trading career, right? So, because this is the game. This is how you make money as a retail trader. This is your edge. This is your edge as a retail trader. So, if I say, so guys, let me give you a little bit of just a short exercise, so to be sure that you guys understand what I'm saying, right? So if I have like $100 trading account and I'm risking 2% of that $100, and I'm taking a trade of 1:10, how much am I risking? How much am I getting back? Based on what I just explained to you, I just want to be sure you guys understand that. How much am I risking? How much am I getting back? The group is open, guys. ASAP. I need your answer as fast as possible, guys. ASAP, guys. I have a $100 trading account. I'm risking 2% of that $100, and I'm taking a trade of 1:10. How much am I losing on that account if I lose? How much am I winning on that account if I win? ASAP, guys. ASAP. Awesome. Well, I remember, guys. Most of you guys are actually losing this. I've just seen one person. Okay, I've seen two person. Okay, I've seen three persons. You're risking 2% of $100. 2% is already $2, and you are taking a trade of 1:10. That's 2 times 10 is what? I don't give you expo. I've given you guys expo like that, so I know you guys are going to get it all from. Yeah. So you're risking $2 to make $20. So how much do you guys need to double the account? How many trade like that of 1:10 do you need to double that account, guys? How many trade? ASAP. How many trade? Because I just want your eyes to be open to something. Yes, Joshua, you are correct. Olaniyi, me and you, we are going to enter one trouser. I don't know where you get your 50 from. You only need 5 trade, guys. I don't know if you can see this. You only need 5 single trade to double your accounts. Just 5 trades. And how much do you need to lose the account? How much do you need to lose the account, guys? If you're losing the account on streaks, how much do you need to lose? Exactly 50 trade. 50 good trade. You can see the edge right now. 50. If you have a good strategy, is it possible for you to blow your accounts? Guys, judge yourself. Is it possible? Even if it's a strategy that has 40% winning ratio. I'm asking you guys, is it possible to blow your account or lose your account if you have a strategy that is giving you good? I mean, a strategy that is just probably 40%, 20%, 30% winning ratio. Think about it. Is it possible for you to blow your account? Exactly. Exactly. So, one of the reasons that you might be blowing your account might be that you don't understand this, guys. Yeah. So, if you're getting echo, Pop Logan, I guess you should leave the video and join again. Yeah, someone should help me tell him that. So basically, let's get back to business, guys. Let's get back to business. This is becoming interesting, I guess. So guys, I'm trying to show you something here with this simple case study. So now we have a $250 trading account. We are risking 2%, right? And we have, let's say, 25 trading opportunities per month. And on each trade we take, we are risking. We are on each trade we take, we either lose $5 or we make $25. If you win, we win $25. If we lose just $5. And we have just 40% winning accuracy. 40%, guys. I didn't say 80% though. I didn't say 90% though. I didn't say 70%. Me, I'm not one of those your gurus that will tell you something that is crap. They will tell you they have 70, 80, 90% winning ratio. Most of the times it's just bullshit. Most of the time they are just giving you mental statistics, not something that's not result-based facts. You understand? So these are things that what's it called, that I've tested. So this is the calculation, guys. Your loss is going to be like this, which means you're going to lose 60%, guys. 40% winning accuracy simply means you're going to win 40% of your account, and you're going to lose 60% of, 40% trades, right? And you're going to lose 60% trades. You're going to win 40% trade, and you're going to lose 60% trade. That's what 40% winning accuracy means, right? 50% winning accuracy simply means you're going to lose 50% of the trades that you take, and you're going to also win 50% of the trade that you take. That's what it simply means. So, which 60% of 25 is simply what? 60% of 25 is simply 15, and 40% of 25 is simply 10. So it means you're going to have 15 losses and you're going to have 10 wins, just 10 wins. And so 15 times 5, remember $5 is what you're going to lose if you lose. That's minus $75. If you win, that's Remember, if you win, you're making $25 because you're getting back times 5 of what you're risking. So 10 times 25, that's going to be $250. The net profit is going to be $175, right? Just in a single month. In a single month, you've made almost 100% with just 40% winning accuracy, guys. Just 40%. You're still in profit. Whereas we have some of your gurus that will tell you they have 70-80% winning accuracy, and they can't even boast. They can't even boast of profits consistently every single month. This is how to be consistent, guys. So 5 months of that will be 175 times 5, right? Equals to what? At the end of the month, we are going to plus equals to 875. This is a mistake anyway. So 175 times 5, you can do your calculation yourself. We have 875. So plus the starting capital, do not forget, we now have $1,000, $1,125. It's as simple as that. See how we've made something from not being perfect in the forex market. Nobody is perfect in the forex trading market, but risk to reward is all you need, basically. Risk to reward might be all you need to actually be successful. So let me just I want to show you some real life results, guys. I want to show you some real life results. You guys must be ready for this one because I want to blow your mind finally. I want to show you that this is not just mumbo jumbo. I want to show you that this is fact. This is something that we get results on. This is something that we do on a steady, right? This is something that this is the kind of results we actualize on a steady basis. This is why I said this webinar is going to be a life-changing one for you in 2024. So I'm trying to open my MT4 account to show you real life results right now, guys. All right. So okay, I'll have to change the what's it called? All right. I want to show you something. All right. So this is an XNES account, guys. As you can see, this is a real account, right? This is a real account. It's an MT5 account, XNES account, and as you can see, these are the trades that has happened. These are 2 weeks trade, guys. I want you guys to note these are 2 weeks trade. And if you check this trade well, you see that we have more losses than profits. But at the end of 2 weeks, this accounts how much was deposited in this account? A deposit of $131.59 was deposited into these accounts. And how much was made? A profit of $229.59 profit was made. Pure profit. That was already times 2 of this account in just 2 weeks. And a withdrawal of $336 already been made. We did this just to prove a point. This account was just there just to prove a point, just to show you. Because we don't want to be showing you profit accounts that you'll be freezing and you'll be like, whoa, this is maths. You feel me? So I don't know if you all see that. Let me be sure you guys see that. Let me I'm coming. I want you all to express yourself that you can see it. If you were able to see the result I just showed you right now, please just blow it in the comment section, guys. Awesome. Thank you. Let me just so let me get back to where I am basically. So, guys, that's some real life results, guys. So you can see how easy and doable it is to do. I mean, we're able to make more than 200% in just 2 weeks. And yeah, I'm just promising you 500% in what? In 5 months, giving much more time frame. So you can see how easy and doable it is to do $1 $2 with as little as $250 in the next 5 months. So this isn't just theoretically possible alone. Let me show you that it is even more than practically possible by showing you another some bunch of results, right? So this is who. By your right hand side, by my right hand side here, we have someone. This is a trade. If you check this properly, oh sorry, this is a trade of 1:5. This person said, "Can't beat it. Your strategy is mad." Before you, I was big on supply and demand, but I never really took liquidity into play. Remember liquidity that I told you about. Liquidity is money, guys. So, and that's where I was going wrong. But now, I genuinely think I'm mastering it, right? So this person said he has exceeded his weekly targets just in one single day. That's the power of this strategy, guys. So this is Cedric. Cedric was able to make how much? $1,122 within a week. I mean, sorry, within a couple of weeks. I think 3 weeks. From it, this is just $250 accounts. I was able to do 1,122. This is another person. This is Akikomindo. He deposited $250. He made $80 plus in just a single day. Right? He was able to actualize this is also Akikomi. Was able to actualize $152 in just 1 week, guys. So as you can see, we have been able to help many smart traders like you in the past and even presently. So since my second promise has been fulfilled, I would love to ask you this question, guys. This is the most important question in this webinar, guys. So pay attention, please. So if you can automatically copy our exact trade every single trading day to make at least 50% monthly profit. This is the worst case scenario, guys. Just 50% was because I do not always like to I like to under promise. Just so you can be surprised when you see the profit. It's even more sweeter that way and exciting at the same time, right? So if you can make 50% profit on a monthly basis, and our profit just by copying our trade, you are not taking trade yourself. This is just by automatically copying our trade, and our profit sharing ratio is 70-30, which means if you make 50% of $50, that's 125, right? In a month, you are getting 70% of that profit, and we are getting 30% of that profit. Till you make 5 times your trading account in the next 100 trading days, while you sit back and relax, will you consider that a fair deal? Guys, this is a very important question. I need you guys to give me answer ASAP. Do you think this is a fair deal for you? Do you think this is a fair deal for you guys? I'm only seeing Joshua speaking. Yeah, I need loads of you to like give me your answers. All right. So a lot of you said it is a fair deal. So let's not take much of our time. So let me get straight into this. All right. So since you all said yes, I am introducing to you the MLB offer, MLBM offer, right? Move like a boss money pot offer, guys. So what is this MLB MLBM offer? Before we get into that, think about this for a second. On your MT5 or MT4 account, on your live account, an expert who is trading just like the people who controls the forex market is helping you. I mean, is trading on his account, and on your own account, the trade is taken on his account is automatically being copied on your account. So if he's making times five of what is risking on his account, you are making times five on your account as well on that trade. If he's losing 2% of what is risking on his account, you are also losing just 2%. And of course, I've just shown you bunch of live results, bunch of unquestionable results that shows the reality of what I mean of what the MLB trading is all about. And you've seen how those trades are being taken. You've seen how, what's it called, the result of those trades basically. So imagine those results on your MT4, MT5. Think about how much you would make, right? So that is what the MLBM offer, move like a boss money points offer, is going to be offering you. So what is the MLB offer? So this is an offer created to help struggling forex traders make their first 1-2 in the next 5 months with copy trading, and also start earning 3K monthly in 6 months time. Right, guys, I said $3,000. Remember, these are promises I've made before we started, and here I am. I'm going to be fulfilling those promises. Those promises, basically, at least I've fulfilled almost 70% of those promises right now. So, what does this offer entail? You might be asking. You're going to be able to copy my high risk to reward trade daily. This is what's $100 monthly. Right, so but when you take advantage of the MLB trading offer today, you'll be connected to our trading account system to be able to copy our high quality trades with a 1:5 minimum RR trade and 55% win rate. We have 55% win ratio. I'm not going to bullshit you by telling you we have 89. No, out of 10 trades, we might just win 5, or we might win 6. Out of 100 trades, we are going to win 55 trades, and we are going to lose what? 45 trades. But those wins are enough to multiply our accounts in a very crazy way, right? So you'll be able to spend quality time doing what you love, or with important people. Spend time with important people in your life, or even do other important things with your time without having to worry about exchanging time for money when you are not even sure of not losing both time and money. As a struggling trader, you're actually losing your time, you're also losing your money, because you're doing the wrong thing, and at the same time you're also losing money. So it's crazy. But with the MLBM offer, you're simply leveraging forex professionals' time, hard work, and experience, who trade exactly like the people who dominate the forex market. So you are sure of banking consistent dollars from the forex market. So this is what a service charge of $100 monthly. But I understand that many might not be able to afford the amount. At least many struggling traders might not be able to afford the amount. So you're going to be accessing this for free, because profits will be automatically splitted at 70 to 80% rate on a monthly basis. So for me to make money from you, I have to make you profit. That's what it simply means. So you're also going to be getting, if you take advantage of this offer, instead of paying $87 to get my Top Forex Secrets ebook, where you get to learn the 3 elements of forex trading profitability, and also how you can win at least 10K prop firm trading challenge, you'll be getting access to this ebook for free. Original cost is $87, but you'll be getting access to the Top Forex Secrets ebook for free when you take advantage of the MLBM offer right away. So this is the Forex Top Secret ebook, right? You're going to learn the 3 elements that makes you a profitable trader. You're also going to learn these 4 easy steps of winning and getting funded with 10K live proprietary trading accounts, even if you're currently a struggling trader. So this ebook is responsible for hundreds of traders' trading success. Do not take my word for it. I always have something to back it up, guys, because I don't bluff. So this is Eric on the left side. As you can see, this is January 12th, 2023. That was last year, early last year, right? So Eric said, "Can't hide my testimonies. It's not a joke anymore. Going live very soon. Your ebook is doing magic." He showed me this, right? So so this is January 13, 2023. He sent me a prop firm trading account that is trading. He said he has just passed his first stage of his challenge. He said he has just passed his first stage of his challenge based on what he read from the book. Do not forget, this is January 13, the second day of January 12, right? So this is also another person. This person said the book is quite insightful, straight to the point. I'm currently on for testing the break and retest strategy with a double top bottom confirmation and confluence, right? This is Adiola. He said, I asked him, what did he learn from the book basically? What can he say about the book? He said, sincerely, I give it to you, sir, because the strategy you use is good. It's just that the zone where you carried out your trade wasn't clear to me. So this is also, I don't want to waste much of our time. I just want to point out the most important ones. This is also someone, this person said, Adiri said, I'm done reading this ebook. I'm done reading this ebook. The book is straight to the point. I have shared it to like 4 persons now. Like the 3 elements of successful traders is really nice and all of that. So he said, last week my capital was around $60. See now, lowest. He has already made a lot of money. Let me get to this my friend, a Ghanaian friend of mine. So this person, this is April 18. This is April 18, 2023. That was last year as well. This person passed prop firm account as well with what he learned from the book, right? He even showed me his small setup. He used some of the money he made from the prop firm to buy himself the setup, all from what he has learned from the ebook. So you're also going to be getting a risk management video worth $37. One of the major reasons why a lot of forex traders fail is because of poor risk management, right? A lot of people think they are practicing risk management, but unknowingly to them, they're just gambling away their money to the forex market. So in this video, you will learn the risk management that will keep your account in good shape in both losses and profit seasons. When you take advantage of the MLB offer, you'll be able to get the risk management video for free without having to pay $37. $37 is what I charged initially when I was selling this video, right? So this is also another thing you'll be getting that comes with the MLBM offer, right? You're also going to be getting 15 hours of daily support. This is priceless. So we are not the type. I'm not going to promise you every time. I'm not going to promise you that I'm going to be giving you 24/7 support. No, that's not possible. In fact, I have 8 hours to myself to sleep every single day. So that's not possible. People saying 24/7. No, I'm not going to give you bullshit, right? So we don't joke with our sleep time, but if you take advantage of the MLBM offer today, you have 15 hours of free access to us daily, asking us questions you need answers to. This is also very priceless, guys. So the total worth of this is how much? $224. Guess what? That is not even all. I have a special fast action taker bonus for the first 3 persons who take action within the next 24 hours of attending this live webinar. What is this fast action taker bonus about? You're going to get a complete smart money course worth $250. You're going to learn how to trade exactly like the bank. Follow their footprints in the market. Avoid being stomp hunted, and most importantly, you will learn how to use minimal stop losses like 2, 3, 5, 15 pips max Excel for snipe entries to catch big move. This course is guaranteed to take you from a total struggling trader to a profitable forex trader. If you learn and practice what you learned over time, you won't even need to buy any forex courses in the future again, because this is all you need to become profitable in the forex market, as long as you take this seriously. So you're going to be getting this course alone is cost is what? Sorry, $250. But if you're one of the 3 persons to take advantage of the MLB trading offer within the next 24 hours, you'll be getting this for free. Remember, this is a fast action taker bonus. So these are the content of the course: supply and demand, liquidity concepts, the one I talked about, market structure, order block, price imbalances, entry types, like that. So now, this is like the most important part. You're going to be able to make $3K monthly with prop firm. So one of the services we render is helping traders pass their prop firm and even help them manage their prop firm accounts after passing the prop firm. This is guaranteed. This is a guaranteed service, or we give you a full refund of your money. So we charge $300 to pass a prop firm account. But if you're one of the 3 persons, this was a mistake, to take advantage of the MLB trading offer within the next 24 hours of attending this webinar, you have the opportunity to gain access to this service for just $100 from us in the next 5 months. So after making you can take the $100 from your profit. Remember, after making $2, you take the $100 to get our service instead of paying $300 and win a profit to make extra 3K monthly. With our strategy, it is very easy. This is a result, right? To back that up as well, right? So as you can see, this was last year. This account was passed, right? So also another thing you'll be getting is one or two. We are currently in the bull section, bull run. This is crypto bull run season, basically. This is 2024, right? So a lot of people are going to become millionaires and billionaires through crypto this year. And one of the things you're going to be getting, if you're a fast action taker, is you're going to be getting 1 to 3 crypto coins. These are gem coins to buy in 2024 that would give you 40 times at least or more ROI. So we are in the crypto bull run phase, which is usually the best time to invest massively in crypto to make truckload of money for yourself. So a lot of people have built wealth and fortune for themselves just by investing in the right coin. We use forex to multiply money, while we use crypto gem coins to build wealth. If you happen to be among the first 3 to take advantage of the MLB offer, you'll be able to get 1 to 3 crypto coins with 40 times ROI potential to invest your money into monthly, right? So once again, this is what you'll be getting from the MLB offer that allows you to make $2 in 100 days, guys, or less. So you'll be able to copy my Iris to reward trade daily. This is what $100. That's not what you're going to be paying anyways. Top Secrets ebook. This is what it's $7. You're also going to get everything here for free, right? Risk management video worth $37. 15 hours of daily support. Complete smart money course worth $250. You're getting it for free as well. Make $3,000 monthly with Profem. You're also getting this for $100 instead of $300, right? That is after you've made $2. So 1 to 3 crypto gem coins to buy in 2024 that give you 40% times. That's times 40. If you are putting $100, you're getting back 4,000. That's what I mean, right? So this is what $100 you're getting it for free. So the total worth is what? $874. But to people that will be getting, to people that will only be getting this, to people that will only be getting the MLB offer, you'll be getting all of this for free. So is this offer for everybody? No. It is only for people who have or can afford a $250 trading account, right? And also, these are people with a long-term based investment mentality. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I have to tell you, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, right? I'm not one of those guys that will bullshit you with sweet talks or anything. I will tell you the way it is, and you must have noticed that so far. So it is only for people who have a $250 trading live account and also with a long-term based investment mentality. If you cannot see 1-2 in the next 1 to 5 months, if you cannot be patient enough to make that kind of money in the next 1 to 5 months, this is not for you, please. Even if you have $250, this is not for you, right? So it is very important I make that clear. So if you're saying you're ready and you're asking how do you take advantage of this offer right now, whoever that sent you the link to the webinar, right, DM the person. Whoever that sent you the link to this webinar, DM the person ASAP. DM the person to take advantage of the MLB offer and also secure the fast action ticker bonus. You'll be given the broker link to sign up with, verify your account, and fund your account with a minimum of $250. After that, send screenshots of the funded account to the person you got the link from within 10 minutes. Within what? 10 minutes of opening your message, you'll be notified on your dashboard to accept the copy trading services. So congratulations to you in advance for making a steady $3,000 in the next 120 trading days without trading or analyzing the market yourself. So these are the frequently asked questions. So we'll do it like this, guys, because I know that you guys might have a lot of questions. I would like to take the FAQ first, then I will open the group so you can ask whatever question you have and all of that. But let me answer these questions first. So what is your risk appetite per trade? Per each trade we take, we don't take more than 2% risk. So it takes 50 loss to actually blow the account, which is impossible with the kind of way we trade. We trade exactly like the bank, so it is difficult to blow your account. It is very difficult. It is very impossible. So did you use stop loss and take profits? Definitely. Stop loss and take profits are like the most important parts of our trading rules, right? So is 3K in the next 120 days realistic? It is very realistic because if you think about it, you can easily make $1-2 in the next 1 to 5 months, and after that take as much as $100 from the profit you make to get a profit and also pay for our service, which is $100 bonus that we're giving to you, right? Discount offer. So once you do that, it is easy to. How much is 3K with a $10,000 trading account? So that is how realistic it is. It is very simple, but of course, this takes a stretch, a long period of 1 to 6 months. This is not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen next month. It is next 1 to 6 months. So why must we use your broker? It is very simple. You can only copy my trade if you sign up with the broker I'm using, and the broker is also a regulated broker. So and you can also do your research about them. It is very simple, and the spread they use is very awesome for our style of trading. So which is why we use them. So the only way you can copy our trade is when you sign up with with our broker, and that way your account is connected to our account. It's as simple as that. That's the only reason. So what is 250? I mean, why is it $250? I think I made a mistake here. So why is the $250 a required capital? It is very simple. A $250 account, most of the trade we take, there are some trade that a $250 account won't be able to take. I mean, there are some trade that an account less than a $250 account will not be able to take because of the risk we take. We don't over risk at all, but we under risk. But of course, we don't over risk. So the most easiest way is to actually attain faster results and better results is a very good capital. And a very good capital starts with $200 to $250, right? This is our own simple rule. At least if you want to work with us, this is what you have to have, basically, right? So is there any possibility of losing your $250? it is almost impossible because I've just shown you the effect of risk to reward. So it is almost impossible. So what is the least profit to be made monthly in terms of percentage? The least profit to be made monthly is 50%. In, the least profit to be made monthly is 50%. But your profit from 50%, let's say you make 50% of 120, I mean $250 is 125. So 70% of that is around I've forgotten, probably 80 something to $97 or so. And I've calculated everything. In the next 5 months, you'll be able to make a profit of at least $1,002. I mean, you have an account plus the capital plus the what's it called plus the profit. You have an account of $1,200 plus $1,200. So who is this offer for? I've told you, if you have a $250 trading account and you want to live a stress-free life, this is for you, right? So I'm going to open the group now. I'm going to log out of my system right now, so I can open the group, then answer whichever questions you have, in case you have any questions, basically.